Today, we'll uncover the best tumblers for coffee to help you find the perfect one for your needs. Whether you're an everyday coffee drinker or an outdoor enthusiast, we've got you covered with the top 5 tumblers on the market. And for your convenience, all products mentioned in this video are linked down in the description. And with that in mind, let's get started. Number 1 on my list is the YETI Rambler, priced at $35. This tumbler holds 20 fluid ounces and is made from stainless steel, which means it's built to last and withstand daily use. The vacuum insulation ensures that your coffee stays hot or cold until the last sip. One standout feature is the max slider lid, which uses magnets to keep your drink secure and reduces the risk of spills. This tumbler is also dishwasher safe and features a no sweat design so your hands stay dry. The durable dry cut coating provides a good grip and prevents fading, peeling, or cracking. Users rave about its ability to maintain the perfect temperature for hours, whether hot or cold. The size and shape are designed to fit in most car cup holders, making it ideal for travel. However, some users noted that it's not completely leak-proof, so it's best not to toss it in a bag. Despite this, many appreciate its robust construction and practical design, making it a reliable choice for everyday use. The combination of durability, effective installation, and user-friendly features make the YETI Rambler a top pick for coffee lovers on the go. Second on my list is the Stanley AeroLight Transit Bottle, priced at $30. This 16-ounce tumbler is known for its superior thermal performance, keeping drinks hot for up to 4 hours and cold for up to 20 hours. Made with ultra-light stainless steel, it's 33% lighter than standard stainless steel drinkware, making it incredibly portable. The leak-proof lid is perfect for preventing spills, and the slim design fits easily into most car cup holders. It's made from materials free of harmful chemicals and is dishwasher safe, adding to its convenience. Users love its lightweight design and how well it keeps their beverages at the desired temperature. The durability of the bottle is also a big plus, as it stands up well for daily use and travel. Some users mentioned that the lack of a handle makes it a bit challenging to carry when hands are full. The drinking spout is also wider than some might prefer, but overall it's a minor issue. The Stanley AeroLight offers a blend of portability, durability, and effective insulation, making it a great choice for anyone on the move. Next, we have the Owala SmoothSip tumbler, which costs $24. This 20-ounce tumbler comes in a vibrant pink color and is made from stainless steel. It features double wall insulation to keep drinks hot for up to 6 hours and cold for up to 24 hours. The SmoothSip spout is designed for comfortable drinking and is paired with a splash-resistant lid to prevent spills. It is free of harmful chemicals, and the lid is dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. Users love the ergonomic design and the ease of use, noting that it's comfortable to hold and drink from. The slightly square shape of the tumbler adds to the grip, making it less likely to slip from your hand. However, some users mentioned that the lid is not completely leak-proof, which can be a drawback during transit. Despite this, the overall performance and stylish appearance make it a favorite among many. It's praised for its effectiveness in keeping beverages at the perfect temperature and its modern, sleek design. The Owala SmoothSip is an excellent option for those looking for a stylish and functional tumbler. Now, the simple modern travel coffee mug tumbler is next, priced at $17. The 16-ounce tumbler features vacuum insulation, which keeps beverages hot or cold for hours. It's made from durable stainless steel and is rust resistant, ensuring long-lasting use. The tumbler is designed to be leak-proof with a flip lid that twists on securely. It also comes with 2 reusable straws, adding to its convenience. The simple modern tumbler is dishwasher safe, making it easy to clean. Users appreciate its sturdy build and excellent heat retention, noting that it keeps their drinks at the perfect temperature throughout the day. The tumbler fits nicely in most car cup holders, making it ideal for commuting. However, some users have experienced issues with the lid breaking, which can be a bit frustrating. Despite this, the affordability and overall performance make it a popular choice. Its simple design and practical features make it a great everyday tumbler for those on a budget. Lastly, the Contigo Luxe Vacuum-Insulated travel mug is priced at $35. The 16-ounce mug features double-walled insulation to keep drinks hot for up to 5 hours and cold for up to 12 hours. The auto-seal lid ensures no leaks or spills, making it perfect for carrying in bags. The lid is also designed to open for thorough cleaning and is dishwasher safe. The sleek stainless steel finish gives it a modern look and it fits under most single-serve brewers. Users love its leak-proof design and how easy it is to drink from thanks to the one-handed convenience. However, some find the button mechanism a bit awkward to use, especially when trying to drink and press the button at the same time. Despite this, the Contigo Luxe is highly praised for its durability and effective insulation. It's a stylish and reliable option for those seeking a high-quality travel mug that can handle everyday use. These 5 tumblers offer a range of features and prices to suit different needs and preferences. Whether you prioritize insulation, portability, or affordability, there's a perfect tumbler out there for you. And don't forget that all products mentioned in this video are linked down in the description. I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.